And what Jesus is saying here is that as we get to know Jesus, this gift is available to us, which is the Holy Spirit. And this gift is not just us receiving the Holy Spirit, but to have a relationship with Him. We have a relationship with the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. And I want to invite you into this discovery journey of what it means to stand in a relationship with the Holy Spirit and how that affects your life. So Jesus, just before he sort of ascended, his disciples were really upset. Why are you leaving us? They felt like, why would you leave us? We want you here. And how often do we find ourselves that we would just say, it would be great if Jesus can walk through those two doors and come and sit in our midst. How often do we feel that? That if Jesus could just be here. Because we think when Jesus is in the room, physically, stuff changes. It's going to be great. But Jesus tells his disciples when he told them that he's going to leave, is be glad that I'm leaving. Why? Because I will send the Holy Spirit in my place. So what he's actually saying is that he might physically leave us, but he will be present in the Holy Spirit in our lives from the moment that he leaves. If he didn't leave, the gift would not have been given to us.